Good morning. I just tried to basically make a video, and I had another driver come up to the truck. I'm at the Campus Inn here in Springfield, Missouri. I stayed the night here, and my hotspot broadcasts, and it says Trucker Dude Brent's 5G hotspot. So he basically fucking waited for me to wake up, and then he comes walking up to the truck, and I think he's walking by, because that happens a lot. People will walk in front of the truck and they'll look at me and they'll keep walking. I don't expect people to recognize me, because I'm not like some awesome person on YouTube or anything. Some people might think that, but yeah, I'm just another guy, you know, and I just put my videos out there. But he comes up to the truck and he's like, "You need to calm down on YouTube, sir." But I gave him the skinny and basically what I'm about to tell you guys, and that is, what are these changes that I've been talking about, which I literally only said like once, and I've said on Snapchat once or twice, that there's some major changes coming to my business. There's major changes coming to my Prime, everything to do with me at Prime, and we're going to talk about that now. As if you can't see in the back right here, this little frilly thing here, well, it's a care package. And why do I have a care package? Oh, I don't know. Maybe if you look up top on birth, you'll see all my craps on my bed. Okay, and then you'll see I got a mattress for top bunk. So what does that mean? Well, obviously, I'm either getting a student or I'm getting a co-driver. Well, I'm getting a co-driver. So we'll be meeting her in this video, which I most likely will put her directly after this video. This part of the video. I gotta wait another freaking half hour to go pick her up, because I guess, you know, we went and ate at Fire and Ice, and we talked and stuff and got to know each other a little bit more, and we've been friends for a long time. She's followed my channel since I was at Stevens. And she had just come out and said, "Hey, you know, my trainer I'm getting off my trainer's truck. I'm upgrading. I know you're on home time, but I want to team drive with you, because I want help during the winter months, and I'm scared." I was like, "Okay, well, let's do it. I'll talk to my wife," even though at the time I was almost certain, because it's a female, that my wife would say no. So I told her the first day that I came home, and without blinking, she said, "I think that's a great idea." And we just, me and my co-driver had talked about it. It's like, it just couldn't have happened any more perfectly. You know, like, of course, I'm on another 90-day probation for training. I'll be able to drive with this upgraded Class A CDL holder, A-seat driver, as my co-driver. And we're gonna run as a team for a couple months and see how that goes. And it'll basically just show, I mean, she's not training, but she will be training. Like, I'm gonna help her with her backing still, snow driving, of course, chaining up, things like that, doing stuff during the winter months, because before you can train at Stevens, you have to have a winter season in. I don't think that's something you have to worry about here at Prime. You upgrade and that's it. You're good to go. Like, you know what you know, and you'll learn the rest as you go. You know, you got all the basics down. You can take care of it. It is going to be a windy day today. I'm not looking forward to that, because I got a 41,000 pound load, and crosswinds will eat you up even with a lighter load. I had a 14,000 pound load, and I was 17,000 pound, and I was driving through Colorado, and it was so windy that my miles per gallon were at 7.6. Oh my god, with the hills and the wind, it was just horrible. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna be meeting her very soon, so we'll catch up with that. Here's a couple of clips of me getting the bed into the truck. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That was incredibly long, wasn't it? Well, yeah. Hopefully that works out. We'll see. What up? We're at the Walmart. I know I haven't introduced you yet. We're gonna introduce her. God almighty. Come on, bros. Yep. Sunny fucking California. She's in Walmart right now. And I'm outside the truck, just walking around. Because I already got we just stopped at Whole Foods. We spent like a fucking hour there. She's very particular about what she eats. She's I'll let her introduce herself and talk about herself and stuff, but she does not eat meat or processed foods or anything like that. So we're in California. We dropped our trailer. We're about 34 hours early. So we're gonna take a 34. I hope she took herself off PC. Actually, I need to check that. I'm letting her drive in California. I'm in the back, just chilling. I downloaded Maneater on my computer, and I've just been playing with. Well, I don't care. Whatever you want to do. You know, she just got off her trainer's truck, so she is a Class A holder now, and she is not used to being able to drive as a teammate and more like a trainee. So I'm like, no, I don't care. So we went to Whole Foods. She was excited. She got to get her food. We spent like an hour and a half there. She showed me what I could get, healthier stuff, you know, because I'm spending like $10 to $15 at these damn truck stops every day for food. And I could buy like an $8 or $9 organic meal at Whole Foods, and it'll be healthy for me, and also I'll be fuller, and it won't cost as much. So I'm gonna try that. I bought about a week's worth of stuff. We'll test it out. If it works out, then great. If not, then I'll just start going back to Walmart, and I'll just eat at Walmart. But we're teaming, so we're driving very hard, constantly moving. We hardly stop, so this is a little treat. We could have totally dropped this earlier. I could have had Night Dispatch probably put us on something else, but I said, nah, we made enough revenue this week. I feel comfortable. She's going to get her pay that she wants. I'm going to come out of the hole even if I'm not making too much more money, but we needed to stock up, and we needed to get the truck in order, because as soon as she put her stuff on the truck, we had to run. So literally, we've been running. Oh man. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for her to come out. We're gonna get the truck situated and fixed up, and it's a mess in there right now. There's just shit everywhere. So we're gonna take care of that, and we're gonna go to the mall here in California, San Bernardino's. We're right in Ontario, basically. And we're gonna do some shopping. She needs some boots and shit. I feel like I'll just walk around and see if there's anything that I need to get. Uh-oh. Taking some chunks out of my steer there. Yeah, and we'll go from there. So we'll catch up here in a bit. All right, we're back. I say we're back. I'm back with her. And we're gonna do a little reveal here and talk about our week. It's been wild, but here she is. Wow. Hi guys. So, of course, she's gonna text me. My wife's gonna text me. I'll check her in a minute. So, we've been team driving for a minute. It's been about a week, roughly. Let's talk about our week.
My name's Leia.
Right. I'm sorry. God, introductions. Leia, Princess Leia.
This is Brent.
Yeah, I'm Brent. If you didn't know. So we have had a pretty crazy week so far, and it's been a lot of adjustments for me. She just got off her trainer's truck, so she's used to basically team driving with someone, and I'm getting used to my truck moving when I'm asleep again. It's been almost a year since I've had to do that last. So our first load was great, okay, because I picked it up off of home time and I brought it into Springfield, picked her up, and I let her bring it in the rest of the way. Well, as soon as they've been keeping us pre-planned like crazy, it's been great, okay, and we had a decent week. I think we grossed about $6,000 to the truck. So I mean, it isn't anything I couldn't do solo, but I think they're just kind of testing waters to see how we can do it.
She's a hell of a runner. She's kicking ass. Otherwise, I would have kicked her off the truck.
Thanks, pal.
She does good. She's doing good. So the second load, all right, we go to this little ass town, okay, to pick up, and we got to drive through the little ass town with the truck route to get to the bottom of a bridge, and it's like this really tight area, like the yard dog.
I remember that was extra fun. That was a muddy lot. It was muddy.
It was I had just got the truck washed, and so that isn't even the worst part. We get the trailer out finally after like an hour and a half of just messing with stuff, because we had to park. The empty lot was on the street, and like there's like dive bars like all around this lot. So there's drunk people watching us.
The bars are probably there because all the truck drivers who go here, once you get there, you need to drink after dealing with this place. That's all I have to say about that.
It was tight, and we I had to like get up on the curb and almost hit a building to get the. And then somebody was waiting for us, and they're just watching it. And whenever they were passing by, they're like whatever. We just got, we got to get it in there. So we get that dropped. It's still daylight. We get our trailer number. It's a drop and hook. Thank God. We pick it up. We go to slide the tandems, and like somebody's flashing at us. Like, what are you flashing at us for? Well, found out that both my headlights are out. So we got to ride about 4 miles up the road to a Love's with our high beams on, so that we don't get a ticket. And sure enough, both the light bulbs blew at the same time, which was
awesome.
Yeah, that was so fun because, yeah,
that was extra fun.
So that goes off. We get loaded back up. We start driving. Now at this point, I was supposed to have fallen asleep and rested as soon as we picked the load up and started rolling. Well, no, now we got to deal with the light bulb situation. That was about an hour and a half or so of time that I'd lost sleeping. She's been picking up a lot of the slack with me not being able to sleep and getting things, because...
That's okay. You're picking up the slack for me still being all new and stuff.
Right. So she's fresh off her trainer's truck.
Out.
She's, so when she does backs and things like that, I want to be up, and she wants me to be up to watch, make sure she does right and doesn't hit anything. You basically keep an eye on her. She's doing good though. And so that's cut into my sleep a little bit.
It's all part of the deal.
Right. So I know this is kind of another way of feeling like I'm still training in a way, but she's actually a Class A holder, so we're technically team driving. We're technically a team, but I'm still training in a way. Really, you can't train backing. It kind of just clicks, and I just got to give her more opportunity to back it, and I feel like it's going to click with her soon, because she's already doing really well. You can drive her fucking ass off. I'll say that. She's 8-9 hour shifts, 550 plus miles already, like just killing it. So we got to this load. We got our first real, I say real, it's about 2,000 miles from Kentucky to California. We're in Colton, California right now, dropping this load at Walmart. And then I still haven't been pre-planned, so I'm a little nervous. But we got to take a little 34. Went to the mall. Obviously, we went to the Walmart.
Hugest mall I've ever been to in my life.
There was so many people.
And it was Halloween, and it's a Sunday.
I got my phone fixed.
Like social anxiety central.
So it was fun. And we went to...
It was fun.
The mall. We went to Whole Foods and got food. Like shit, I'm drinking an organic protein shake right now.
Yep. And
She's got me on this kick with some healthy foods.
Food fix.
Yeah.
The California natural food store fix.
And then she went to Walmart, and then we went to the mall, and I played some games at Dave & Buster's. It was fun. And now we're back on the road again. So it's been fun. But this is what the whole lead up's been to. I want to get a whole weekend, slept, have some sleep and shit, and catch up on things, and then finally update you guys with what's been happening. I'm still at Prime. This is the big change that I was talking about for the business and my future with Prime. We're going to do team driving for a little bit and see how it goes, and get her
through the winter and
her wings.
What's the word I'm looking for? Through the winter and polish up my backing.
Yes.
Yes.
But yeah, that's the skinny. Oh, my birthday was fun. That's when the lights broke, and I didn't get any sleep. That was my birthday. And we were getting ready to leave, And she goes, "Hey, Brent." I was like, "What's up?" She goes, "Happy birthday."
And it was raining
And
the
it was,
whole time.
oh
Like,
my
as
God.
soon as I got on the truck, it rained everywhere we went for like
The whole time.
until we got to California.
Yep, it was raining.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it was ridiculous. But at least Flagstaff wasn't under snow yet, so
No, Flagstaff was beautiful. Beautiful.
I hope I'm up, or I get to drive through it when we get out of here, which hopefully
It's
soon we'll get a fucking pre-plan. But anyways, that's the skinny. That's what's been going on. And
I'm dodging the shadows. It's weird.
all right, well that's it. Yeah, all right. So I'll try to keep up more with the videos and shit, but we just got to get our groove, and
We've been busy.
we've been very busy. So
Yeah.
hopefully they'll keep us on these longer loads, like the longer distance loads, so that we're not stopping so much. But we'll see. Anyways, Merry Christmas, ladies. Love it, hate it, ready to take care. And I'll see y'all another time.